I'm gonna shoot you.
Yeah. Jumpin', them boys up to something.
Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. This is Gallardo983 here. I hope you're having a good day today. Hope it's been a good year so far for trading. It's a brand new year, 2018. I wanted to take a look at investing again, and I wanted to show you 3 ETFs that are good for 2018 and for the future. These are well-known ETFs, and they have good potential and strong and steady growth. So first of all, if you haven't already, go ahead and click subscribe on my channel. If you're already a subscribe member, go ahead and click the the bell button next to it to stay notified. Alright, so let's jump into the 3 ETFs. The first one I want to show you today is QLD. This I've been talking about since last year. I've talked about it since like 3-4 months ago when I made my how to invest $1,000 video. So the first one is going to be QLD. If you look at the yearly chart on this, you can see steady growth. It has ups and downs. Is perfect. It shows healthy signs of growth for the stock. And recently markets have been really good. It's the second week in markets of the trading markets, so this has grown a lot recently. But as you can see, the MACD is coming down, so once that comes down below red, that's going to be a good time to buy around 76 to 77 range. So that's the first one. That's QLD. That's one of my favorites. The next one is CBOE. These guys have been getting involved with Bitcoin futures. I believe they released them already, and this is on an uptrend right now, and it's a good buy. Wait for around 126 to 127 range. You can go in and jump in now. Just go in with small size and then add later on. This has the most steadiest growth I've seen with any ETF. This is incredible. So as you can see, you can basically just draw a straight line. You can see the blue line over here. So as long as it's above this line, that means this stock's really good. And I've set up my charts. I get the buy sell alerts. I put in the arrows. As you can see, if I zoom in over here, it tells you when to buy and sell. And that's all with the ThinkOrSwim script. I'll make another video on how to do that. And the last one I want to show you is going to be SDZ. This one I found recently, but I wish I found it before. It's super good. It's kind of like CBOE. The growth is really good. It has a more up and down, so it has good potential to get on the dips. And you can do swing trading on this, invest it. I wouldn't day trade it. ETFs aren't really for day trading, but you can if you want. But they're mostly for investing and swing trading. So as you can see on the MACD over here, if you zoom in right here, it's coming on the red here, and as soon as it starts going up again, once it crosses that blue line right there, then you can go ahead and buy. So basically with MACD, I'll make another video on that, how to use it, how to study it, and how to make sure that it works for you and how to set it up correctly. I'll make a specific video on how to do the scripts and another video on how to do the MACD and the VWAP line. So these are the big 3 that I'm looking at in 2018. Obviously I have a bunch more ETFs, but the lower amount that you're in, the better. I would say like 3 to 5. Just pick 3 to 5 ETFs. Don't watch too many. That way it's easier to manage them, and the less the better with ETFs. With stocks you want to spread around, but with ETFs the less the better. So pick your favorite ones, watch them for like a couple months, and jump in as you see the price action. So use the MACD or VWAP or Bollinger Bands or whichever one you use to study charts. So I use ThinkOrSwim, and it's amazing for the charts. So go, it's completely free. Also, I haven't paid a single dollar for this one. I'm not promoting it or anything, but it's been really great. So these are the 3 that I want to show you for 2018, but not just 2018, they're also good for the rest of your life. These are going to be steady and constantly growing with big gains in the future. With Bitcoin and stuff, it's not going to affect these. Only CBOE, just because they had futures on them. So just be careful on that. That's where I had the dip as soon as the Bitcoin stuff came out. But other than that, they have really good market strategies and really good payouts. Alright guys, if you haven't already, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell next to it to stay notified, and I'll be making more videos just like this. I'm trying to make weekly videos on ETFs and my day trading. So once I finish my 1 month of day trading program that I got into, I'll make a video on that. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Take care.